Hi, welcome once again. Today I will show you some social media abbreviations, full form you need to know, and top social media platforms in 2023. Which has the most number of users in the world? Let's start. FB. The FB full form is Facebook. Facebook is well-known social media site that was started in 2004 by Harvard College student Mark Zuckerberg.
So I built the first version of Facebook in a couple of weeks. Millions of page views a day, got more and more smart people around me to join.
The rankingroyal.com's website information show in 2023, almost 3 billion people use Facebook every month. This makes it the most visited website in the world. Facebook monthly active user 298 million, almost 3 billion. Second, YT. YT full form YouTube. YouTube is currently the second largest global search engine in the world. YouTube was established on February 14, 2005. The first YouTube video, Me at the Zoo, was uploaded by co-founder Javed Karim.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys is that
YouTube monthly active users 2.3 billion. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. If we speak through data, nearly 2,000 million people are able to communicate with their friends and family. WhatsApp more than 2 billion people use every month, active users around the world. IG. Instagram. Instagram is free online photo sharing app and social network platform. Instagram was created Kevin Systrom in 2010. Instagram launched on Apple's App Store. In less than a month, it got more than 1 million downloads and soon expanded to Android and Windows 10. Later in 2012, it was acquired by Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook. Instagram has more than 2 billion active users per month. Number 5. TikTok. With over 1051 million downloads worldwide, TikTok has become a cultural phenomenon. It is one of the most popular social networks. TikTok monthly active user 1 billion. GTM, just the messenger. GTM means just the messenger. Facebook's messenger for the record, approximately 30 million businesses are actively engaging with their audience through Facebook Messenger. TW. X, formerly Twitter. X boasts around 6 million monthly active users. The platform sees 500 million tweets sent per day. It is particularly influential in the realm of news, politics, and public discourse. RT. RT means retweet. LI. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network on the internet. You can use LinkedIn to find the right job or internship, contact and strengthen professional relationships and learn skills you need to succeed in your career.
This video focuses on LinkedIn company pages. LinkedIn is more than just a place to humble brag about how you overcame some business challenge.
LinkedIn is a business social media platform. It was launched on May 5, 2003. LinkedIn has more than 970 million registered members from over 200 countries.
Was ist eigentlich LinkedIn? LinkedIn ist eine internationale Karriereplattform.
LinkedIn ist ein gutes Werkzeug, um meine Karriere nach vorne zu bringen.
Das Tolle an LinkedIn ist ja, dass ich es international und national benutzen kann.
Number 10. URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. URL is address of a given unique resource on the web.
URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is a complete web address used to find a particular web page in the internet.
DM. Direct the message. Do you know? Direct the message. DM usually stands for direct message. A DM is a private mode of communication between social media users. When you send a direct message, only you and the recipient can see the contact. Instagram, Facebook, and X, former Twitter, all have their own direct message platforms. Social media is a big part of our lives. It has become how we sometimes communicate with others and even ourselves. Social media is a great place to get new information, make friends, and voice your opinion. More than 4.7 billion people around the world use social media, which means about 59% of the total global population uses social media. For more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.